I nominated Betty Hunt as the 2015 Salute to Healthcare Volunteer. She's been a dedicated volunteer since 1986 and has almost 11,000 hours of service. Betty is currently the Auxiliaries Parliamentarian, but has served on the Auxiliary Board in many other capacities, and she's been chairman and served on numerous committees throughout her tenure. She's provided service in intensive care, our lab, radiology, information desk, materials management, outpatient, and many other areas. There's really very few positions that Betty hasn't held during her years here. Plus, she volunteers at many other organizations in our community. Betty influences others by her positive attitude and her bubbly personality. She's definitely a people person who has a heart of gold and will help everyone she can. When she comes to volunteer here at Longview Regional, she always has a smile on her face and a light in her eye. She spreads joy to everyone with whom she comes into contact. It's been a real privilege to work alongside Betty, and she is a true asset to our volunteer family and Longview Regional Medical Center.
When I first got the letter, I opened it up and I read the first line and I said, I don't think this is me, this must be for somebody else. And then there was a light that dawned. Melinda Whitehurst. I could see her name all over this paper. I always really wanted to be a nurse, so in high school I worked a volunteer at our hospital. So then I went to college to be a nurse for 2.5 years. But then I ran out of money, so I had to quit. And I came to Longview, and while I was here, I worked for Dr. Curry. And then I met my husband and got married. And then I had my kids. But when I came to Longview, I really wanted to do some volunteer work. And how I got started in the volunteering was Flavis Tatum was a volunteer here at this hospital. And she said, you know, I've got a perfect place for you. An act of kindness, no matter how small it is never wasted. It just warms my heart when I hand out food and serve these homeless people, and they are so appreciative. It's one of my missions in life, that I am here to serve others.